Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bartender. I'm Chris. Today, we're making a Mezcal Mule. Now the Mezcal Mule is a smokier sibling to the Moscow Mule. Very simple cocktail to make. 4 ingredients: a mezcal, fresh lime juice, bitters, and ginger beer. Now all we're doing is subbing the vodka from the Moscow Mule to mezcal in the Mezcal Mule. Let's get right into it. Today, we're using Montelobos mezcal, and for all you gringos out there, Wolf Mountain. We're using 2 ounces of this today. We're gonna pour 2 ounces into our jigger, into our copper mug. Next step, we're going to add fresh lime juice. Fresh ingredients is always better. 1/2 ounce into the same mug. Next step, bitters. We're gonna do 2 dashes of Angostura today. Now we're gonna add ice. Next step, we're gonna top off with the ginger beer. We're using Spectacular Q ginger beer. Right to the rim. Now we're gonna garnish this cocktail with a Lime Wedge. And if you have available from your house, Candied Ginger. Really makes the great pairing for the cocktail. Add a straw for the cocktail. And then there you have it, folks, the Mezcal Mule. Let's give it a shot. Salud. It's a great cocktail. Very smoky. Hint of bitter, sour, a little bit of sweetness in the end. Great, refreshing cocktail. Well, folks, if you like what you saw, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, follow us at the Blue Collar Bartender on Instagram, tell your friends. Goodbye.